Hi. Okay, I'm already restarting, Maddie. Hi, guys. It is me, Vidalia here. You guys don't know that. Lol. But anyways, I'm here doing the... Say it again. Madison Goncalves. Go subscribe to her too. You guys can't see what I'm doing anyways. I don't know if you can hear her, but I am in a video chat. But what we are doing here today, guys, is the rare glitch. And, well, we have lots of fame ladies. And one drip cap is what Maddie said, just in case you didn't hear her. So, right now, my brother is playing. He is playing on his iPad. What? Maddie! Why? Your father said not to. I'm gonna tell him. No, I'm not. I'm not gonna tell him. I'm joking. Take a joke. I almost ate all my chips also. Anyways. I'm getting distracted myself. Right, Maddie? Because you know how long it took. Oh my god, I hate the news. I am playing with a pen, guys. I have no idea why. What? Okay. Alexa. They're all sent, Maddie. It's Vi, not VI. Why does he call me VI? Say Vi. Okay, your dad's gonna drive me crazy. He is? I did not know that. What? No, I didn't. I don't. Yeah, oh, wait. I think I didn't open it. Let's just see. Nope, I didn't open it. Nah, my fault. My fault, my fault, my fault, my fault. It's my fault. Dang, I got this thing. I got the pigtails. Yeah. Me and Maddie always get these things. Yeah. I'm like, oh my god. I'm tired, guys. No. Yeah, I know. I already have the Miss Goldie set, guys. Like, I have the complete set, guys. Like, oh. Yes, I do. You mean... and Anna. What about Anna? I'm joking. What? Seriously? I sent you the last thing. I could have swore I sent you it. I sent all of it. And I sent you an auto. Did that help? 9. I sent you everything, girl. No, you did not. I just sent one. Ow. I need to put my glasses on. It's the pink one. Did you open all the presents? I don't think you did. Okay, go back to the thing. Oh my god. 7. I don't understand this. Yes. Send your stuff. What? No, I'm on. I am on. I know. Calm down. Shh. Shh. Calm down, woman. No, you will not. Guys, I share an account like, oh my gosh. No, I said I share this account. What the heck? I am not that weird. I'm not weird. I'm gonna cry. You're gonna make me sad. You're making me sad. No, my friend wants to date her. No. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my lord. Oh my lord. Oh my lord. I hope my boyfriend sees this. Oh my lord. He's typing, guys. Neither do I. I don't care how I spell. I don't care, guys. Don't judge. It's so laggy, guys. I really want to dance now. No. Anna literally broke once. So, I miss her. And broke her leg. What the heck is that? Why? What? She won't what? What? I won't. I feel so bad. This is... Sorry! I'm sorry. Anna, if you're watching this, I'm very sorry. Guys, just don't judge this. I am level 10 now. Oh my gosh. Maddie, look at the screen.
Okay, quiet.
Are you looking? It's a jumpsuit. Ah! And it's glittery. I don't know. And I don't care. I just clicked the wrong thing. So it was like, I'm not paying for VIP for a year. That ain't happening because I don't have a credit card. Huh? 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 Anyways, bye guys. We'll see you later. Bye.